very good morning. Today we are going to see second question of practice set 5.2 linear equation in two variables. Student, here the denominator of a fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. So first when we know what is fraction, so we start the solution. We are going to start the solution. Let the required fraction be x upon y. So x upon y is a fraction where x is called numerator and y is called denominator of the fraction. Student, in the question, two conditions are given. From the first condition, the denominator of a fraction, what is denominator? Denominator is y. So denominator of a fraction is 1 less than, that is minus 1. So twice its numerator. So twice its numerator means what? What is numerator? Numerator is x. So from the first condition, what you are getting? Denominator of the fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. So y is equal to 2x minus 1. Just will write in standard form. I will transfer y to right hand side. So I will get 2x minus y and minus 1 to left hand side. So this becomes plus 1. This is your equation number 1. Once again, I transfer y to right hand side. So 2x, this plus y becomes minus y, and this minus 1 to left hand side, that is plus 1. So this is the word rearrangement. So from first condition you are getting first equation 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now for second condition, what is second condition, student? So second condition started from here. If 1 is added to numerator and denominator, so what is 1, student? What is numerator? Numerator is x, so you are adding plus 1. What is denominator? Y, you are adding plus 1. So when you are adding 1 is added to numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of numerator to denominator is 3:5. So what is the ratio? 3:5. So when 1 is added with numerator and 1 is added with denominator, then ratio becomes 3:5. That is 3 upon 5. Now you will cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, with 5. So 5 in bracket x plus 1. This is equal to 5 in bracket x plus 1 is equal to 3 times y plus 1. So this is what x plus 1. So just you multiply. This will be 5x plus 5 ones are 5 and this is equal to 3y plus 3 ones are 3. Now transfer 3y to left hand side. So this will be 5x minus 3y and this is equal to what? 3. This plus 5 becomes minus 5. So you will get 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. So this is equation number 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation number 2 from the second condition, that is 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Student, here we are going to use elimination method to find the value of x and y. So I am going to add equation 1 and 3. First I will check whether the coefficient of the variables are equal or not. So student, here 3y is there. I am going to cancel y. So here 3y is there. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 3. So just will multiply multiply equation 1 by 3. When you will multiply equation 1 by 3, so you will get 6x minus 3y is equal to 3 ones are 3. This is equation number 3. So when you will multiply equation 1 by 3, so what you will get? 6x minus 3y is equal to 3. And now you will observe equation 2 and 3. We are having coefficient of variable y is equal, but the sign is same. Both is having minus sign. So we are going to subtract. We are not going to add. We are going to subtract, that's minus sign. So I will write subtracting equation 2 and 3. Subtracting equation 2 and 3. What is equation 2? 2 is 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. And what is equation 3? 6x minus 3y is equal to plus 3. And we are going to subtract the second equation. So sign will change. So this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Now this minus 3y and plus 3y will cancel out. This is plus 5x, this is minus 6x. So you will get minus x, and this is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. This becomes minus 5. Both the sides having negative sign. So the negative sign will cancel with each other. So therefore you write x is equal to 5. X is 5. Now you are going to put the value of x in either in equation 1, 2 or 3. So we are going to put the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? 2x minus y is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to 1. So just we put the value of x here. X is 5. So 2 into 5 minus y is equal to 1. Therefore 2 5s are 10. 10 minus y is equal to 1. Therefore minus y is equal to 1. This plus 10 becomes minus 10. And therefore minus y is equal to minus 9. Because this plus 1 minus 10 becomes minus 9. And both the sides having negative sign. So you will cancel with each other. So you get y is equal to what? 9. So what is x? Your x is 5 and y is 9. So what is our answer? All write the answer. The required fraction. To write the answer, the required fraction is, what is x? That is 5. And what is y? That is 9. So required fraction is what, student? 5 upon 9. So this is the answer of second question of practice set 5.2. Next question we will discuss in the next video. So thank you for